Hey everyone, it's 𝕬𝕡𝕠𝕕. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be just doing an unboxing of a tea set that I got that I've been super excited for. I did get it off of Amazon, but it is a Goodbag Japanese Kung Fu tea set. I did read that off of the website, so let's begin. It does come in this carrying case, which I personally find to be very convenient because of my children, and it just keeps everything together for me. It does come with this little tray. I will be getting one of the water vessel trays just so it's easier for me to dump the hot water in. Next was a set of these tong things. I think they're to pick up the cups when they have hot water in them, but I'm not too sure. And it also gave us a rag or a little cloth. It didn't come with a paper to tell me what everything is, so I will have to look that up. But I am pretty sure those are tongs for the cups. But came with 4 little black cups that I think are just so cute. And lastly, it obviously came with the teapot, which I find just as cute as the little cups, but it had that sticker on it. One thing I can't stand is when they put stickers on something, they know the sticker needs to come off, but they give it like real sticker glue, because look at that. I had to do some scrubbing. But anyways, love the cute little pot. I did order this pot and set in order to properly test all of my tea creations when I start making herbal teas, so I will give updates on that. The tea I will be trying is from the Loose Leaf Tea Company, and it is the tea that came in my Apothecary at Home box for the month of March. And it is the hair stimulation herbal tea. Now, as you'll notice as I take some things out, there are still a few things that I would like to purchase. Like I said, I do want to get a proper water vessel tray, so that way I can just pour the water into the tray. But I also need to get a bigger sort of water pot or stove pot, because at the moment I have to use a mug. And as you will see, it's just annoying, very messy. Now, I am still learning about tea making, but the basics of it is you do want to make sure you brew the water to a certain temperature depending on what kind of tea we're making. I'm not sure if this works when you have a bigger pot, but with these kind of tea sets, as you saw, I just poured hot water into the pot. I am now going to pour some of that water into the cup. This will heat up both of the cup and pot and bring them to temperature. Now you won't see it because I did edit it out, but I did attempt to use those tongs to try and pick up the cup and pour it out. And it fell. Water got everywhere. Some water got in my little tea holding vessel, which ruined the aesthetic of it getting poured into my pot. But yeah, anyways, I digress. You want to heat up and bring to temperature the cup and the pot. You will then dump out all of the water from the pot and put in your tea. And it usually will slide in perfect, but my tea got wet. And then personally, I will let the tea sit in that empty hot pot just so kind of all of the oils can be released. And then I'll pour more hot water in, as you can see. Since this is an herbal tea, you will want to steep it, rule of thumb, for about 3 to 5 minutes. However, the Loose Leaf Tea Company does have the temperature and steeping time on their packet. So if your tea has the steeping time and temperature, definitely go by that. I don't know why I was stirring counterclockwise. I was not paying attention. Hopefully I was banishing some stuff because that was no good. So as you can see, the water everywhere, not the business, not my aesthetic, looks sloppy. So I will be getting one of the water trays. I will link it below if you don't know what I'm talking about, but there's this really nice big one I want to get on Amazon that I feel would be perfect. Anyways, the tea itself was delicious as always. I feel every tea I've gotten from the Loose Leaf Tea Company has been the best tea, and I really wasn't a big tea drinker prior to them, so. Well, that is it for today's video, you guys. I do hope you enjoyed it. I will link the tea set and everything else down in the description, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!